Yo, Jamaica, want to tell me what go on, Zane? From what day them a say chicken back short, right? And me go Sabaman run in pan the shop to buy some chicken back. Zane, this is where the problem come in. Order 3 pound of chicken back and the lady serve me. Put the chicken back in my hand and then go tell me say after me give her the money in her hand, after me they expect to pay a certain amount, that a $70 a pound, she go tell me say, yo, you know say chicken back raised to $100 a pound. She done take my money already and I done get served already and I did really need it. So what I could have said? I say alright. Then I start think about it. Chicken no short. Zane? Chicken feed no raise. Me want know first of all, how come chicken back short and no other chicken partner short? Zane? I saw the economic state of Jamaica gone bad that people can only afford the back of the chicken. And one back them off, mind you, so if it's short, well, maybe a true. But it have 2 leg and 2 wing and 2 breasts, 2 thigh, everything else a 2. It have 1 back. Zane, but chicken feed no raise. Me don't know if it cost the bill for the cup gone up. I don't know. So why chicken back raise just show them say chicken back short? Can somebody answer the question there for me, please? Thank you.